Today we're going to be testing the stupid deer. We're up here in the attic. I don't like to store much in the attic. I've got the deer. There's a Christmas tree box over there. The tree itself is at work. I've got the village tables up here. And then I have this tree here, which is my uncle's. He gave it to me to try to fix it. And it turned out to be that all of the bulbs are burned out. And I'll have to replace every single bulb. I never got to it last year. Maybe I'll get to it this year. And you'll have to excuse the screaming in the background. The teenagers in this neighborhood actually play outside, which is kind of nice as opposed to sitting inside on the stupid iPhone and rotting their brains away. Anyways, I didn't bring the tripod up here, and I don't think it's worth all the trouble to go back down and get it. So I'm just going to prop the camera up over here like this. And that should be good enough. I have the drop light up here and nothing else, so I have to plug the lights into the drop light. So the lighting is going to get a little wonky for a minute here. Last year I replaced every single bulb in one of these deer. I don't remember which one it was. I want to say it was this one. And it worked properly for the rest of the season. So if any of these don't work, which I think is very likely, I will most likely go through and just replace all the bulbs. I looked at the store this year, and there is officially no more incandescent deer sold. I don't know if it's been like that it probably was like that for years. I just don't remember. But I have to fix these. I can't replace them unless I find vintage ones. Alright, so deer number 1 is working. That's a pleasant surprise. Number 2 is busted. There is a surprise. Oh, that's actually not a surprise at all. So this one, I think that we're going to go through and replace every single bulb, because that should really eliminate this from happening again. I really don't want to be messing with these outside in the freezing cold. So like we've got a bulb out here, they're going to start going out. You can get the bulbs for, $10 for a whole box of 200 or something. It's just not worth playing with it for something that goes outside. So I'm going to take this one down, and we will go ahead and service this one. Stupid piece of junk. And let's try this one. This one, will it stand up in here? It will. Not nicely, but whatever. Good enough, I can get to the plug. The lights should be plugged in with the motor here. Plug this in, we should get everything. Well, the motor's working, and it looks like, I think this is built in 3 sections. At least one section of lights is working. Nope, there's 2. Is that the whole thing? Actually, I think it is. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, there's definitely 3 sections. so this has a bunch of bulbs burned out, and there's something flaky about it. So we're going to take this one down for service as well. It's pretty time consuming to replace all the bulbs, but I feel like that's the best and pretty much only way to alleviate any reoccurring problems, because you'll also go through and take every bulb in and out, so then anything that was loose in theory should be fixed as well. Alright, now begins the fun of getting these stupid things out of here. The small one's not too bad to get out, it's the big one that's a pain in the neck. I'm going to replace the bulbs, so I'm not going to sit here and try to be careful with them. I don't want to come back up here, so I'm going to try to grab the light and the camera at the same time. I'm not going to just throw them down the hatch. I think that would be a little ridiculous. So I very much want to. Alright, that should be good enough for me to get them down from the ladder. Have to somehow turn around so I can get down the stairs. Okay, there they are, the two that are busted. So at some point over the next week or two, I will go through and replace all the bulbs in both of these deer, and then we'll be back in the attic in a couple weeks to get the village shelves and the third deer that still works.